Welcome to the Big Data Premier League. Imagine a stadium where instead of thousands of cricket fans, there are millions of data records entering every second. Handling that chaos needs a champion, and today our star player is Apache Spark, the T20 hero of big data. And here's the twist. We'll understand Spark's entire architecture in the language of cricket. So grab your seat because this match is about to begin. Driver acts like the captain. Every great cricket team needs a captain. In Spark, that's the driver program. The driver's role? Strategy and decisions. It takes your code, breaks it into a directed acyclic graph, DAG, and decides how the match will be played. Think of the DAG as the captain's match strategy board. Who opens the innings? Who bowls the power play? How to chase 220 overs. Example, Netflix recommending shows, captain decides which players handle action movies, which handle romantic dramas, and how results come back to the audience quickly. Without a captain, the team is just talent without direction. And without the driver, Spark is just random code without execution. Cluster Manager acts like the coach. But even the best captain needs a coach. That's where the Cluster Manager comes in. The Cluster Manager doesn't play, just like a coach doesn't bat or bowl. Instead, they provide resources. Which player gets bats? Who gets enough water and energy drinks? Who takes the field and when? In Spark, the Cluster Manager could be Yarn, like the BCCCI managing IPL teams, Kubernetes, like ICC managing global cricket, Mesos or Spark's own built-in manager. Executors acts like the players. Now meet the real heroes, the executors. Executors are like your players. A batter applies a filter operation. A bowler applies a map transformation. A fielder reduces, aggregates, and catches the ball, data. Each executor runs tasks in parallel, stores data in memory, and reports results back to the captain, driver. Example, Uber calculating rides in Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai simultaneously. Each executor acts like a player on the field, processing a city's data in parallel. Without players, the captain's strategy is only on paper. Similarly, without executors, Spark can't bring your data strategy to life. Tasks acts like the balls played. In cricket, the smallest unit of action is the ball bowled. In Spark, that's the task. A job is broken into overs and balls, stages and tasks, and executors handle them one by one. Example, if you have 10 million ride requests at Uber, Spark splits them into millions of balls/tasks, and executors process them in parallel. Just like in cricket, where every ball counts, in Spark, every task contributes to the final result. Wrap up. So let's summarize the match. Driver acts as a captain, plans strategy, Cluster Manager acts as a coach, allocates resources, executors acts as a players, do the real work, tasks acts as a balls, the smallest unit of action. Together, they make Apache Spark the T20 champion of big data. From Netflix to Uber, Spark powers real-world data innings every day. And just like cricket, it's not about one star. It's about the entire team working in perfect sync. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more big data explained in cricket style. See you in the next match.